Alright guys, so in this video I will be teaching you how to create a loop video. We call those kind of videos a loop video. So the first thing we'll do is to create a format by using the InShot app. You can also use the Capcut app to create your format, but you have to save the video first before you now edit the loop video. So hence why I decided to choose the InShot app to do my format. Then I will know, okay, the video will save, I'll take it to CapCut and continue editing. Just to make the process simple and easier for me, you can decide which is best for you. Alright, so I missed all the first part, which is bringing in the picture format I want to turn into video. So these are varieties of my pictures, combining each and every one of them together. So I want to make them into video. So all I have to do is to resize depending on the format of what I want. 9 by 16 is the TikTok size, while the 16 by 9 is the YouTube size. So you resize preferable to the size you want. So I leave it at the TikTok size, which is 9 by 16, but I want it bold, so I zoom and apply all effects to every one of them to make each one of them bold. So this particular one, I feel like it's not that bold. I had to resize it again and make it a little bit more bolder. So that's what I did in this particular area. But I feel like, okay, it's being like, it's too, it has cut my leg side, and but anyways, I feel like I should leave it this way or I should make it zoom, but I ended up making it this full also because I want the images should to be very very bold. As you know, I'm also a photographer, so and so I take quality time in editing and making sure pictures are extremely good and they come out best. So that's it guys. I'm going to save it 180p. That's the normal best size to save your work while after editing them, so it comes out looking best. You know, most of this app usually make the video quality a little bit low, so if you save in high quality, by the time you start sharing and sharing, it will still retain the quality. So right now I'm on the CapCut app. Now being in the CapCut app, you click on the new project. You already know different areas of the CapCut, so this shouldn't be new to you anymore. So I'm going to click on the new project and come down to this area and pick the particular background I want. So I love this background anyway, but it's a WhatsApp background, so I'll bring it in into the app. Then I'll use my crop tool, which is the ratio, and select the ratio I want. But it also have its own edit, so I click on edit first, then I come down to this area and it will bring out the crop tool by itself. So I will move it and shrink the particular area I want to use as the background. So this is the area. Now I'm going to make it a little bit bold so it fools the whole screen. So that's how to make your screen or background bolder. That's if you want to use a picture as a background anyway, but if you want to just use normal color, that's a little bit easier. So now I will duplicate it because the video I edited on my InShot is, I think, 30 seconds, so I have to duplicate my background to make it very very lengthy, up to 30 seconds, so it can contain the video format I made earlier for the loop video we are trying to create. So I think this is enough already. Alright, so I'm going to go back and click on overlay. So when I tap on the key to the overlay, I'm going to pick the video I edited with the InShot, the already saved one. So that's it right there. So I'm going to tap on it, add, and bring it into the CapCut app. So yeah, this is it already in the CapCut app. Okay guys, so now it's already in the CapCut app. All I have to do is to just move the cursor and look for animation. So animation key is what we are going to look out for. Now under animation we have different kind of transition style, but the one we'll be making use of that has this loop effect is under the combo. So when you go to the combo, you scroll down towards the end, you'll be having different kind of combos to use. But I preferred the first tutorial I did, you if you remember, I used this phone markup. So it was from this combo area I got it from. So if you also want to create a video tutorial using this concept, you can also use or pick this combo markup from this area by using the smartphone one, and be creates different design about with it by clicking on smartphone one, smartphone two, smartphone three, and combining everything together to create a beautiful. As an editor, you don't use just one concept, you have to be creative. So hence why that area is what I use for that tutorial I did for the client I posted in the group. Well, guys, if you're not in my video editing class, you are missing out. Tap on the link in my bio and come into my DM to pay for the class and learn. Alright, so for this tutorial sake, the new one I will be using to teach this tutorial is this particular cube effect. Yeah, this cube effect is also good and is also nice. It's beautiful. You can also use it to create beautiful design. So this is how it looks like. There are many types of cube effect on this Capcut platform. Types of cube effect in this Capcut. Like there are other video editing app that can give you this loop kinds of formats, but I just love CapCut in editing and it makes your work seamless. So I prefer it to be used for this kind of designs. You can also make use of the other apps, but CapCut will give you the best if you are creative with it. So this is the cube 1 and this is cube 2 and this is cube 3. So guys, you can select and be creative, as I said earlier, with any of these designs, and at the end of the day you'll be coming out with something beautiful. Yeah, so I decided to play around each of the cubes and fix in something with it. At the end of this video you'll be seeing the final edit of what I created with this particular combo format. It has up to cube 5 and each of them have different displays they come in with. So let's move down to my, like, I'm going to click OK and now I'm back to design. So the first picture I will be clicking on, tap on this tick button and move to the normal editing area. So let's edit and create something beautiful. Okay, so now I selected the first picture, I chose a format, I selected another picture, I chose another format, and now I'm going to split, like from each picture to one another. I split, then click on combo, then move down to the cube area and I select a particular design for the cube. So like we have 5 different types of cubes, so and I have like 5 images. So I just move the clip, it was a video, so I'll click on my overlay, move the clip of the video, move it a little bit to know where the new video is coming, that is the new picture is coming in from. I'll cut it by clicking on split, then after clicking on that, then I'll tap on it and click animation. So from the animation part, I'll click on the cube design I want for that particular picture. So I click on it and select number 5. So I click OK and yeah, that's all. So I later delete this last ending background space. I deleted it. So you can be creative, look for a kind of different background than this and just edit into your own design. So this is the display from the beginning to the end. Yeah, so now I'm going to change the format of saving it. I'll save in 1.8, as I told you. 1080p is the best saving size you can use to save your work. So as you can see, this is how the video is going to turn out after saving at the end of the day. So I hope this process was helpful. Try it out and submit yours in the comment section, or share to me, or contact me through my pages. Let's interact. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe. And however, I also added transitions to the background. Transitions are always good to enhance your videos. Don't edit videos without adding transitions in between each clips. So I ended up using transition on the background, since I've added a animation to the overlay. So I added transitions to the background itself. This word shouldn't be new to you guys. You already know what I'm trying to say. So now I'm going to click on sound, add either my voiceover or recorded sound, depending on the sound I want to use the picture to display. So that's it, guys. After doing that, we are good to go. So this is the result after saving the work. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Stay safe and comment below video ideas for next time. So as I said earlier, you have editing app to use to do this, but you're going to pay for it. Like, you pay for those apps to use it, while on Capcut you are free to use it and be creative about it. So which will you prefer, using Capcut or those other apps? Bye.